Learn Galician requests. I would like, equals.
Gustaríame.
Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to laugh, learn Galician, and order like a pro? Picture this. A talking coffee cup winks at you and whispers, "If you want me, just say."
Gustaríame.
Exclamation mark quote. Today you'll master the velvet glove of requests. I would like, equals.
Gustaríame.
So you sound confident, kind, and cafe ready. Your goal today. You and I will nail one polite powerhouse and its best friends. Master the key phrase. I would like, equals.
Gustaríame.
Know the difference. Direct.
Quiero.
Liking.
Gústame.
Polite ask.
¿Puedo ter?
Upgrade with magic words.
Por favor.
And.
Gracias.
Use it smoothly in real moments, ordering, seating, and timing. Forms and nuance. Let's keep it friendly but clear, you're choosing diplomacy over demands. Polite baseline. I would like, a coffee, please.
Gustaríame un café, por favor.
Seat preference. I would like, to sit by the window.
Gustaríame sentar xunto á xanela.
Timing. I would like, to order now.
Gustaríame pedir agora.
Compare tone. Direct, I want.
Quiero.
Use carefully, liking, I like.
Gústame.
Not a request, and a neutral ask, can I have?
¿Puedo ter?
Extra formal at a counter. Give me, please.
Déame.
Polite but firmer. Memory nudge. Think, gustar, to please, plus, I am, to me would.
Gustaríame.
Equals, it would please me equals I would like. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Act it out with me, yes, you're the star customer. Waiter, good evening. You.
Gustaríame.
Una mesa para dos.
Por favor.
Waiter, of course, this way. You, once seated, I would like, a coffee, please.
Gustaríame un café, por favor.
You, feeling fancy, I would like, to sit by the window.
Gustaríame sentar xunto á xanela.
Waiter, anything else? You, for now, that's all, thanks.
Gracias.
Bonus contrast, quietly to yourself, direct would be.
Quiero.
But I'm keeping it polite with.
Gustaríame.
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and let the phrase groove into your memory. Tap a 4-beat loop. Gustaríame.
Gustaríame.
Call and response. I say.
Gustaríame un té.
You repeat. I say.
Gustaríame.
Un café.
Por favor.
You echo it with a smile. Speed round. Soft and smooth, never rushed.
Gustaríame.
Quick quiz. Lightning round. Trust your ear and answer out loud. 1. How do you say, I would like, in Galician? Answer.
Gustaríame.
2. True or false?
Gústame.
Means the same as.
Gustaríame.
Answer. False.
Gústame.
Equals, I like. 3. Which is more direct?
Quiero.
Or.
Gustaríame.
Answer.
Quiero.
4. Add the magic words to level up politeness.
Por favor. Gracias.
Say them now. Culture tip. Polite in Galicia. A tiny kindness goes a long way in a Galician pulperia or cafe. Locals often start with
Gustaríame.
to set a friendly tone. Service smiles back. At the counter, greet with a simple hello.
Boas.
Then your request.
Gustaríame. Una empanada, por favor.
Remember, diplomacy beats demands. By not pushing, you get more. Paradox? Maybe, but it works. Challenge and outro. Let's lock it in with a real-world mission. Challenge. Today, make one request starting with
Gustaríame.
for example.
Gustaríame un café, por favor.
Then close with
Gracias.
if you need a backup, try the neutral ask.
¿Puedo ter?
But your star phrase is
Gustaríame.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, stay polite, and have fun. For more lessons, exercises, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.